A little dip in the middle. And so when you put it together, oops, when you put the right sides, the wrong sides together, you got that waistband here and it's tapering out to go onto the skirt for the hip part. The first time I did it, I did it straight and it didn't lay as smooth. And so I said something's wrong. So I pulled the skirt out again and remeasured and realized that this bottom has to be wider than the top. So it just ever so slightly, but that's what makes, you're smaller at the waist, most of us, and then it tapers out. So I got the wrong sides together. So this is the yoke part. And then my skirt part. Make sure I got the right one. I should have put a mark for the top. That's a good thing for you to do. You should mark the top. Put a little dart in there or mark it. But yes, this is the right way. Okay, so this is your top of the skirt, and this is the yoke. And so that's going to go on like so, and you're going to stretch it just slightly, just like doing a neckband or fitting it on there. So you're going to do right sides together. So I'm pinning the side seams. And of course my light bulb went out, so it's not the brightest light. So I got the side seams to side seam. And then again, the middle to the middle. And it's not much of a stretch, but ever so slightly to ease it in. And this keeps you from having to have elastic. I try to keep elastic because I'm always making skirts, but sometimes you run out. It takes a little more than a yard, depending on how long you want your skirt. It takes a little more than just a regular straight pencil skirt with the elastic. So you have to weigh if you want elastic and less fabric, or if you got a little extra fabric, you can make the yoke and not have to worry about putting in elastic. So it's a nice change. So now I'm easing in so as you see, it's a little bit of an ease. You can see that. So you're going to stretch. And that's going to pull it in tight so that you have a good smooth fit. Now the other one that I need to start perfecting, if there's a sway back, or if some of it, like I have, I'm bigger in the back, sometimes I do a bigger seam allowance for that rise in the back or the rise in the front, depending on which one you need, and that will bring it up so that your hem is level. So that's one way to do it. So now I'm going to stretch and serge. Get my pin out. I don't want to run over the people, as Alethea says. Everybody still there? Sounds loud. So just a little pull to ease that in. A little pull to ease the other one in. So those that don't like patterns, this is an easy way I learned on patterns. I learned how to sew by using a pattern and reading the instructions. My machine needs some oiling. Okay, so now I'm doing the other side. Same thing. Stretch and stretch. If you have any questions. Oh, I see hearts. Okay, somebody's there. Thank you. Cool. Stretch and surge. Hi, I'm just me. I like that. I'm just me 07. Thanks for joining. I'm doing a pencil skirt made from a self-drafted pattern from a store-bought skirt. Well, ready to wear. It wasn't even store-bought, I don't think. Okay. There you have it. The skirt. Just needs pressing and hemming, and it's that easy. So I just press this out, and there it is. So the inside is nice, and I just got to finish cleaning it up. But I'll have a skirt to wear tomorrow, and you got to watch me do it. So there you have it. Again, thanks for joining. Thanks for coming on. Hope you learned something. I'm going to press this out and hem it, and I can go to bed. Okay, thanks again, guys. My name is Charlene Stewart, for those that don't know me. I'm a wife, mother, grandmother, teacher by day, seamstress by night, thus the late scope. And I do a lot of other fun things like hula hooping and card sending and all kind of things. So thanks for coming on. I appreciate it. Lord bless you all. Have a good night, and we'll see you the next time. Lord bless. If I can get it off.